This is 163rd Street, Amsterdam Avenue.
Yes. I'm going to go to 168.
This is a 168th Street bound C local train. The next and last stop is 168th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Sticking to early. Because I'm talking to him probably they're going. It's good. Oh wow.
This is 168th Street. Transfer is available to the 1 and A train.
This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the center of the
Oh, just
platform.
crossed it.
It's not going. Where you at? Look, this time.
179 C right here. Gonna stand here for a bit. Do this on up to Broadway. I'm gonna take you guys in the M5 Broadway with me. Just get on up. No, that's gonna take us too far back. We're gonna go this way. It's the one towards the one train. See, on one train. Oh, towards the one train. Yep, towards the one train. It's the 168. Once you get on the one train exit, right? What happens is, you're getting close enough that we're able to close enough to be in front of it. Stop separation in 2 minutes. I don't care. I do care about having fun. Record this. It's the wrong way. Look, ready? It goes from here. Here. It's really early for me. Oh. Here. The turnstiles. Continue. Go up. Right? Just gonna go this side. on this side. One car, one wants to be on this side. This is the left. Now, top of the surface. It's not in service. I don't. I do care. If you're fine. Which, where it is. Now, it's for the damn private. Get there. Wait for it. Yeah, these are some of the big extended buses as well. That's something. That's the M2, which we don't need. That's what I started anyway. We're down 101. What we're gonna do is wait on the M5. So I'm just gonna do it anyway. Wait on the M5. Come on here. We're not gonna find. That's the limit. So, oh, so, don't need it. The X7 all the way back there, which we don't need either. There's an M3 that I just really caught there. It's just not in service a few seconds before, but now it's in service again. M2 under there, it's the next gen. The X7 and M3 as the OG. Are they both? No, M2 and M3, they both go over here at Fifth Avenue. Because they go to the same terminal. But the M2 goes around via somewhere near like where the Britain terminates on 148, and the M3 goes with the M100 and 101 up to 155th where it turns and goes to the big tip up to 150 up to St. Nicholas where it turns again and it goes down, goes flying down, and then up to Central Park, I believe, and meets back up with the M2. So essentially they're sisters, essentially. M2, that's the same terminal, but it's limited. And M3, also has the same terminal, but it's a local. So, there's the differences for y'all. Of the M3 to the M2. They may be heading to the same terminal, but they do not go the same way to the terminal of East Village. Oh! Can you close it for me? Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, sorry for the silence, but no, I'm fine is coming. So how about we're gonna walk it. We're gonna walk home. In fact, actually, we're not gonna be here. I'm not sitting in a spot. What I'm gonna do is gonna walk down, okay? Come over. I'm gonna do a walk down. Again, so for the lady who was in a gray coat, who stole my book bag. So I left it open the whole time. And no one on the train. No one on the train.
And you look like the youngest.
I don't on the free train this moment. But she did, which is nice of her. This train. I'm on the wrong street actually. I'm on Broadway, which is what I plan to be on. But thank you. Yeah, I'm probably taking way too long. So, see that in 4. It's heading to Conway Boulevard. Oh, it's actually going to the course? Oh, whoa. Okay, look, these M4s are actually anywhere. That one's going to the coasters, not Carnaby Boulevard. They usually go to Carnaby Boulevard. Might as well rail bus fan it. It goes down, and after it goes down to my home road. I'm like, hey, what's your home road? It's just down this sidewalk. It's down here. I'm gonna walk. But we need to get a little jog. Not, yeah, just get a little jogging. Let's get a little jogging. A little jog, no biggie. No biggie. Just a little jog, no biggie. And that's the M4. Again, it's the new version too, which is surprising. She only went for 13 minutes. Take turns. And it's on my home road officially. Officially on my home road. Now, you get tricky here. You know how you're on my home road? They could potentially come this way. Go in the opposite direction of what the M4 was going. So, what I need to do is time this perfectly. Turn. So then when I get to that side, I don't have to deal with the car. Not that time just perfect. Look, that's turning. That car is turning. Going clean and straight. Now, let's go in the tricky part. For a reason. See those cars there? They can turn over here. What I usually do is look. I usually cross. But when the signal meet procedures, I cross. Also, another thing,